Hi! And welcome to Lana's Makeup Minute. But seriously, who's counting? Today we're going to be doing your eyebrows. Make sure you check out the last two videos so you know how to do this flawless foundation, this beautiful eyeliner and eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the MAC Stud Brow Sculpt Brow Brush and crayon. You need to brush your brows, otherwise they're going to look cray-cray and ain't nobody going to like you. Alright, so once your brows are brushed, you put this back in, and from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through your eyebrow, and you want to make sure it's even. So nobody doesn't like a bad, ugly eyebrow, like literally. So you keep filling this in, because just remember, eyebrows on fleek means you're walking away with a guy. How good my brows look. Oh, we're starting to look amazing to go out and hang with the ladies. I actually screwed up in my last video and I forgot to do my mascara, so you guys are getting a bonus. You gotta take this scissor looking thingy and you wanna make sure you, careful. And I rarely have eyelashes, so you still gotta try really hard, okay? Look at that difference. I'm using the Tarte Man Eater. Now, this is not something you want to get in your eyes. Just a disclaimer. I almost went blind last week doing it. Beautiful! Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Next week, we're gonna be doing blush. And make sure you guys check out my previous videos too so you can look as good as this.